Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix your Face ID for App Store. So let's get into it. First thing we need to do is to check your Face ID is turned on for your App Store. So first, go to Settings, scroll till you find Face ID and Passcode, and just select that. Just enter your passcode so that we can enter. Once you're here, you can see that we can set which features we can and cannot use for Face ID. If iTunes and App Store toggle is off, just toggle it on. If it is already toggled on, just turn it off and turn it back on. To turn it on, we need to enter our password. So just enter it and then press OK. We have turned on Face ID for the App Store. If it's still not working, don't worry, because there's still another solution. The other solution would be removing your Face ID and adding it again. So what we need to do is just scroll down a little and then press Reset Face ID. Now scroll up, press Setup Face ID, then we select Get Started and set up our Face ID. After that, Face ID is toggle on for iTunes and App Store and for these other options here. And hopefully, it will work now. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.